I'm Tara Monster, and I like to make things. Today I'll be showing you how to make a cute bow back shirt. It looks like this. Let's get crafting. Remember the shirt we made last time? We're going to make this into the shirt that I have on.
Let's continue to make this shirt more fun and feminine. I saved this piece from when we cut off the bottom seam, and now I'm going to use it to make cute little shoulders. All you do is run it through, tie it in a square knot, and then cut off the excess. And now do the same with the other side. Run it through and tie it off. Double knots only. And just cut off the excess. And now we have much cuter, feminine looking sleeves. To make the bow back is to fold the shirt in half. These are our side seams here, and the shirt is halved along the back. And we're going to cut it into strips. And now we want to see how wide our cuts should be. Let's look at this shirt for an example. So our cuts here are about 8 inches wide. That means we want to cut in 4 inches here because when we open it up, it will be double the width. So let's measure in 4 inches and put our ruler there. I also like to make sure that I leave enough room from the bottom. So I'm going to go in 1 inch and start cutting there. Unfold the shirt and stretch out the strips until they become ropes. Stretch them really good. This will make them stronger. See how the ends are curling? That means you've stretched them enough. Now that we have all of our strips stretched out into nice curled ropes, we can begin to gather them up. I took a leftover sleeve from one of my other projects that I cut off. Always save your sleeves. They're so useful. As soon as you cut off the seam, you can make it into ropes to tie up this project. Always remember to stretch them out so that they curl. I'm going to cut this rope into a few different pieces that we can use for tying. 4 should be enough for now. We'll see how many more we might need. Going to start at the top and gather these together 4 at a time. Tie it right in the middle and make a square knot. Make sure it's centered. On our last one, we have more than 4, but that's okay. We'll just put them all together in a bow anyway, and it'll look great. have some really cute bows on the back of our shirt now. Let's go try it on.
And now look how much better our shirt is. Gotta love those bow backs. So, if you like this tutorial, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get a new DIY hack every day. By the time we're done with quarantine, all of your old t-shirts will be made into fabulous clothing. So I'll see you again here tomorrow. Bye!